So it's already mid-December, and if you're like me, na wala pa din ako napipili na ipangre-regalo ko sa sarili ko and to my loved ones because I'm just so busy, good thing we have Home Credit, which is the sponsor of this video, to help me choose kung ano yung bibilin ko ngayong Pasko. To know more about the available products, how to apply, and to be approved, make sure to keep on watching. So Home Credit is having its biggest and widest sale where you have 50,000 products to choose from na pwede nyong i-avail for 0% interest. And wait, there's more. You can get it on an installment basis. So it's like bumili ka ng isang product na unti-unti mong binabayaran and you're paying it with 0 interest. They even offer flexible payment terms from 6 months to 12 months, 15 months, and at maximum of 18 months. So kung naghahanap ka ng bibili mo this Christmas, this is the perfect time na bilhin yung gusto mo with the flexible term offered by Home Credit. And believe it or not guys, it's been 5 days na hindi pa ako nakakalabas ng bahay because of all the work na kailangan kong tapusin. Hindi nga ako makapunta sa mall to buy gifts. And perfect timing naman that Home Credit contacted me for this video kasi I can stay at home and download their app and look for the products na kailangan ko and buy from there. So hindi naman sa ayoko lumabas but I just don't have the time. So now I can comfortably browse products on the Home Credit app. But if you want, pwede ka rin namang magpunta sa mga Home Credit stores near you. So kailangan nyo lang gawin is to just install the app from Google Store and then sign up. Just fill out the basic details and verify your account by uploading one valid ID. Now let's browse from their different categories. Let's try this sports and lifestyle. Yan, so may mga bike, jackets, mga parts ng bike, ganyan. So let's see yung fashion and lifestyle. Yan, may shoes, pants, ayan, iba't ibang sapatos, luggages. Ayan, so andyan sila lahat. What else? Let's try the home living. Ayan, so mga ref, yan, aircon, ceiling fan. Ayan, so lahat ng mga kailangang appliances at home nandito. Yan, pwede nyo siyang kunin in installment basis. So yun, napakaganda kasi ang daming options. Let's try this one. Was this electronics? Yan, so yan, laptops, laptop parts. Ayan, so pwede dito. Yun, kung gusto nyong i-installment, pwede. What else? Home living, I think. Let's see. Ito yung mga best sellers nila. Yan. Tingin din tayo ng mga phones. So, okay. Ayun. So, iPhone, Xiaomi. Let's try this iPhone 13. Because I'm eyeing this iPhone 13 actually. Yan. So, ilalagay mo lang yung address mo kung gusto mo yung product na yon. So, I'm from Rizal. Yan, Rizal. And then from Angono ako. And then lalabas dyan kung saan yung mga available na mga home credit stores na mag-serve sa'yo. So, malapit ako sa SM Angono. Ayan siya. And then from there, yan, check mo yung mga details, how you can get the item. And of course, yung mga specs. No? Nandyan na lahat ng mga specs na kailangan mo malaman before, of course, buying the product na magustuhan mo. So, ayan, 2.5 lang siya monthly. And you can be approved within 1 minute. Ganun kabilis yung process nila. And once you're done, boom! You instantly bought yourself something and for your family. So to all the Android users, Maki hashtag HC Biggest Zero Fest na and install the Home Credit app and start your online Christmas shopping. If you like this video, make sure that you hit the like button below, subscribe, and ring the bell for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.